As soon as I feel a nip in the air, I turn to winter mode. I know it's only October, but I simply can't wait for the snow to start falling and to search for the nearest plug to get those holiday lights glowing. Speaking of plugs, with winter coming comes the opportunity to better serve your electric vehicle customers. As temperatures drop and roads get slick, EV drivers will be looking for winter tires that can optimize cold weather performance. But are you prepared to provide the right recommendations and stock the tires they need? EV winter tires are specifically engineered for superior traction, handling, and range. Key design features like tread pattern, rubber compound, and reduced rolling resistance allow them to outperform other tires like all season on ice, snow, and slush. EV drivers need a tire that is tailored to tackle the particular challenges posed by added weight of EVs and hybrids, one that effectively strikes a balance between the imperative for reduced rolling resistance, exceptional grip in all weather, and robust durability. When an EV owner comes into your shop looking for winter tires, you need to be ready with options that align with their specific vehicle, driving habits, and regional climate. Take the time to understand how many miles they drive and their top priorities, whether it's extending range, improving cornering, or maximizing tread life, and make a recommendation that fits those needs. Sometimes, in regions with milder winters and all-wheel drive vehicles, a good all-season tire may suffice. However, when winter tires are an absolute necessity, factors like mileage, speed rating, and traction rating all come into play. You have an opportunity to build loyalty and become a trusted advisor by guiding EV owners to the ideal tires for winter driving. Make sure you're stocking the latest tires for EV drivers this season, as going the extra mile will pay off in repeat business and referrals. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.